ड्रीम गर्ल को तो आप सब ने सालों से देखा होगा, पर अभी मेरे साथ एक ऐसी गर्ल है जो अपने गाने ऐशा ऐशा के साथ सबके ड्रीम्स को रॉक कर रही है। ऐशा, वेलकम ऑन ज़ूम।
थैंक यू।
ऐशा, टेल मी, खुदा के बारे में बॉलीवुड में कहा जा रहा है कि दिस इज़ गोइंग टू मेक और ब्रेक योर करियर। डू यू ऑल्सो टेक इट लाइक दैट?
No, I don't take it like that at all. I've always been a very chilled out person. This is something that is reviving our home production again, because right now production houses are, the ball game of the industry. So we should also mint some money,
Do you intend to get into production or abhi acting ही?
Well, acting has always been my first love, but definitely production is on my mind, and not just movies but television also. Because with this film I've had a wonderful experience right from the scripting stages to then acting in it and dubbing in it, and usually I would just go and promote my film. But with this film I sat throughout the post-production, I sat on my edit with my editor Rameshwar, who also had edited Dhoom, so I've had a wonderful relationship with him. And I got to learn a lot about editing, and then there's DIing, and there's so much that goes into a film is what I realized by being a producer of the film.
तो जैसे ये मूवी है, आपके कैरेक्टर की जर्नी है पापा को ढूंढने के लिए। मूवी का शूटिंग भी आपके लिए जर्नी की तरह होगा, आपकी पूरी फैमिली थी वहाँ पर साथ में। यू मस्ट हैव ग्रोन एज अ पर्सन, लर्न समथिंग।
Yes, I think I have grown as a person, learned a lot, come back a bit more wiser and smarter. And yeah, it was wonderful. It was like, a picnic all the time. Plus Chandan, Arjun are such wonderful boys. Then we had Rishi ji, Vinod ji, who seen me growing up. So we all used to get together after, pack up, eat dinner, It has been lovely.
आपकी मम्मी ने इस मूवी को डायरेक्ट किया है। सो जिस दिन मूवी की शूटिंग स्टार्ट हुई थी, उसके एक दिन पहले रात कैसे बीती आपकी?
नहीं, मम्मी के साथ रात एकदम अच्छी तरह से बीती, बिकॉज पहले भी मम्मी के साथ मैं बहुत से डांस शोज़ करती हूँ, और शोज़ के दौरान मम्मी इज़ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एंड शी इज़ टीचिंग यू व्हाट टू डू इन द आइटम. सो आई वाज वेरी कंफर्टेबल बीइंग डायरेक्टेड विद माय मॉम, एंड I think she's a wonderful director, because she's directed Dil Ashna Hai before, which was I think Shah Rukh's first film, and then she's directed a couple of serials. And what was even better is because she's been an actress in this industry for so many years. For one actor to direct another actor is much more different than just a director, Working with Dad, that was like, a dream come true, because that was the sleepless night that I had. Because I was like, how is it going to be giving my first shot with Papa? Will I be able to say my dialogues correct, this, that? And we reached the set, and luckily the scene that we were doing was a very emotional one, and both of us were very overwhelmed, and there was natural tears coming out of our eyes. We didn't use any glycerine, and then Papa also told me कि रात को मुझे भी नींद नहीं आई.
Now tell us your favorite dialogue from the movie.
जब कोई इस दुनिया में आता है, माँ और बाप इन दोनों रिश्तों के साथ आता है, पर जो बिना रिश्ते वालों आता है, what about them? A girl who's in search of her true identity, and it's very important for all of us to know who's given birth to us. It's something that we all are born with. We are lucky, but there are a lot of people out there who don't know, and this is about a girl who is like that.
आपकी मम्मी का फेवरेट डायलॉग कौन सा है जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? हेमा जी का, उन्हीं के अंदाज में।
नहीं.
बिट लॉन्ग कर, ये तो टीजर था।
नहीं.
ये तो टीजर था।
नहीं.
ओके, लेट्स कीप इट दैट वे। रिसेंटली एक मूवी आई थी मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन, उसमें कतरीना कैफ ने धर्मेंद्र जी का शोले वाला सीन किया था। आप कैसे करती हैं अगर आपको कोई कहता तो?
नहीं, मैं नहीं करती, मुझे मार पड़ती पापा से. आई थिंक कटरीना हैज डन अ वंडरफुल जॉब विद दैट सीन.
आपको कभी सेट पे पड़ा है पापा से ऐसा?
पड़ी नहीं है एक बार, लेकिन हम दोपहर को शूटिंग कर रहे थे लंच के बाद, और लंच खा के आफ्टरनून टाइम यू फील लिटिल स्लीपी एंड ऑल. तो मैं बस कैमरा के सामने, वो लाइटिंग कर रहे थे, तो मैं कैमरा के सामने खड़ी थी, एंड आई स्टार्टेड yawning with my mouth open and eyes shut, and suddenly I see Papa's face in front of me, and he's like, ये तुम्हारा काम है, you can't yawn when you're working. I'm like, but it's so natural to yawn. He's like, no, you can't yawn when you work.
Oh, he is strict.
He is strict, but he's not that strict, He's a very emotional father, a very emotional human being, I think.
Okay, you have done a folk dance also in this movie. Would you mind teaching me one step, because Diwali is coming? मेरी माँ बहुत खुश रहेगी अगर मैं कुछ ट्रेडिशनल लेके घर जाऊँगी तो.
Like this, it's out.
While I'll stay back and learn a few more steps from Esha, you go and check out Tell Me O Khuda with cameraman Manjeet, Kirti Tarang, Zoom, Mumbai.